Hi, everyone. Hi, Julian. Hi, Mia. Hi, Matthew, Evan, and Kai. Today, we're going to read a book called Windy Weather by Sally Lee because it's so windy outside. See all the leaves on the chair and all the ground? Windy weather. She's got a yellow raincoat and a yellow umbrella. Whoosh! Look, flags are flapping, leaves are flying. It's windy today. What is wind? Wind is the air that is moving. We can't see the wind, but we can see what it does. Her hair's blowing and her pinwheel's blowing. Wind can carry seeds to new places. Wet clothes can dry in the wind. See? It's blowing in the wind. Wind can feel warm on a hot day, and it can make a cold day feel cooler. The wind can bring a change in the weather. Will it bring a storm? Look at those stormy, dark clouds. I wonder if it's going to rain. What makes the wind? The sun heats the land and water. Some places get more heat and others get less. Warm air rises, cool air rushes in to take its place. This moving air is wind. You see all the leaves moving in the wind? A breeze is a light wind. A gale is a strong wind. Have fun. Windy days are fun. Fly a kite and watch it soar into the sky. Whoosh. The end.